Hello, and welcome. Today, we're going to talk about a concept that's been making waves in the world of health and wellness, superfoods. But let's be clear, we're not talking about a magic bullet or a quick fix. We're talking about powerful, everyday foods that are so packed with nutrients, they can truly transform your health from the inside out. For the few minutes, we're going to take a deep dive into the world of these nutritional powerhouses. We've handpicked a list of amazing superfoods, and we're going to explore what makes them so special, what specific health benefits they offer, and most importantly, how you can easily and deliciously add them to your diet. This isn't about an extreme diet, it's about upgrading your plate with foods that fuel your body and help you feel your absolute best. So, if you're ready to transform your diet, let's get started. First, let's define what we mean by superfood. It's not an official scientific category, but it's a term used to describe foods that are exceptionally rich in compounds like antioxidants, fiber, healthy fats, vitamins, and minerals. They offer a high concentration of nutrients with minimal calories, making them a fantastic way to boost your nutritional intake without a lot of effort. Our first superfood spotlight is on berries. We're talking about vibrant blueberries, juicy raspberries, sweet strawberries, and rich blackberries. These little fruits aren't just beautiful, they are absolutely loaded with nutritional power. The secret to their potency lies in their high concentration of antioxidants, specifically anthocyanins, which are the natural pigments responsible for their deep blue, red, and purple hues. These compounds act as powerful protectors for your body's cells, helping to neutralize harmful molecules called free radicals that can cause oxidative stress and chronic inflammation. By fighting off this cellular damage, berries support your overall health and can help reduce the risk of many chronic diseases. Berries are particularly fantastic for brain health. Research suggests that the antioxidants in berries can cross the blood-brain barrier, reducing oxidative stress and inflammation in the brain. This may help improve communication between brain cells, enhance memory, and protect against age-related cognitive decline. A handful of blueberries is not just a tasty treat, it's a boost for your mind. But the benefits don't stop there. Berries are also an excellent source of fiber, which is essential for a healthy digestive system and helps maintain stable blood sugar levels. They are also packed with vitamin C, a key nutrient for a strong immune system and healthy skin. Incorporating them into your diet is incredibly easy. You can add a handful of fresh or frozen berries to your morning oatmeal, yogurt, or a smoothie. They make a perfect, low-calorie snack all on their own. For a more creative touch, you can use them in salads, on top of pancakes, or as a natural sweetener in baked goods. Next up, let's talk about the incredible cruciferous vegetables. This is a large family of powerful plants that includes familiar favorites like broccoli, cauliflower, Brussels sprouts, kale, and cabbage. These aren't just your average greens, they are nutritional powerhouses. Beyond being packed with essential vitamins like vitamin K, which is crucial for bone health, and blood clotting, and vitamin C, a well-known immunity booster, their real superpower lies in unique compounds called glucosinolates. When you chew, chop, or digest these vegetables, glucosinolates break down into biologically active compounds, most notably sulforaphane and indole, 3-carbinol, I3C. These compounds are fantastic for supporting your body's natural detoxification processes, particularly in the liver. They activate a variety of enzymes that help your body neutralize and eliminate toxins, pollutants, and other harmful substances. This powerful detoxifying effect is why these vegetables are celebrated for their potential to help protect against certain chronic diseases. Incorporating them into your diet is simple and delicious. While steamed broccoli with a squeeze of lemon or a kale salad is a great option, you can get creative. Try roasting cauliflower with a little olive oil and spices, stir-frying some shredded cabbage, or even blending a handful of spinach and kale into your morning smoothie. Cooking them lightly can help preserve these valuable compounds, so you can make the most of their health benefits. Our third superfood is straight from the sea, fatty fish. Think salmon, sardines, mackerel, and trout. The key nutrient here is omega-3 fatty acids, particularly EPA and DHA. These are often called essential fats because our bodies can't produce them on their own. Omega-3s are incredibly beneficial for heart health, helping to reduce inflammation and lower blood pressure. They are also crucial for brain function and mental health. Aim for 2 servings of fatty fish per week. Choosing grilled or baked fish is a fantastic way to get these benefits without added sodium or unhealthy fats. Let's talk about something creamy, delicious, and incredibly good for you, the avocado. Often mistaken for a vegetable, this fruit is a nutritional powerhouse and a fantastic superfood. The primary reason avocados are celebrated is their high content of monounsaturated fats. These aren't just any fats, they are heart-healthy fats that have been shown to help lower LDL cholesterol, that's the bad kind, while helping to maintain HDL cholesterol, the good kind. 3. This makes avocados a powerful food for supporting your cardiovascular system and reducing the risk of heart disease. But the benefits don't stop with fats. Avocados are also loaded with fiber, which is essential for digestive health and helps keep your blood sugar levels stable, preventing energy crashes. They are also an excellent source of potassium, containing even more of this crucial mineral than a banana. Potassium is vital for regulating blood pressure, making avocados a great choice for anyone looking to support heart health. In fact, one avocado contains over 20 different vitamins and minerals, including vitamin K, vitamin C, and various B vitamins. And here's an interesting fact that truly elevates the avocado to superfood status. The healthy fats it contains can actually help your body absorb fat-soluble vitamins A, D, E, and K from other foods you eat. So, when you add avocado to a salad, you're not just making it more delicious, you're acting as a nutritional catalyst, helping your body get more from the other healthy vegetables on your plate. Incorporating avocados into your diet is easy. You can enjoy them sliced on top of a salad or toast, blended into creamy smoothies, or as the star of a classic guacamole. Their smooth texture also makes them a great substitute for butter or oil in some recipes, adding a healthy twist to your cooking. Our next superfoods are often found in a small handful: nuts and seeds. We're talking about almonds, walnuts, chia seeds, and flax seeds. These are excellent sources of healthy fats, plant-based protein, and fiber. Walnuts, for example, are rich in omega-3s. Almonds provide calcium and magnesium for strong bones. Chia and flax seeds are nutritional giants, offering a powerful combination of omega-3s, protein, and fiber that supports gut health and helps you feel full. Just a tablespoon of chia seeds in your water or a handful of almonds as a snack can make a huge difference. Now for something you might already have in your cupboard: green tea. This isn't just a simple beverage, it's a superfood in a cup. Green tea is packed with a powerful antioxidant called EGCG, epigallocatechin gallate. This compound has been linked to a wide range of benefits, including a metabolism boost, improved cognitive function, and reduced inflammation. Swapping out a sugary drink for a warm cup of green tea is a simple, healthy choice with significant long-term benefits. Our final superfood spotlight is on a spice: turmeric. This vibrant yellow spice contains a potent compound called curcumin, which is a powerful anti-inflammatory agent. Chronic inflammation is at the root of many diseases, so including turmeric in your diet is a fantastic way to combat it. It's also known for its antioxidant properties. You can add turmeric to curries, soups, roasted vegetables, or even a warm cup of golden milk. To enhance its absorption, always pair it with a pinch of black pepper. So, we've covered a lot of ground, but let's remember the big picture. No single superfood is a magic cure. The real power comes from incorporating a variety of these nutrient-dense foods into a balanced diet. The goal is to make your plate as colorful as possible. Think of it this way: for a snack, choose almonds and berries instead of a processed bar. For a meal, add roasted broccoli to your grilled salmon. For a drink, swap your soda for green tea. These small, consistent changes are what lead to a major transformation. The journey to a healthier diet is not about perfection, it's about progress. Start with just one or two of these superfoods this week. Experiment, have fun, and discover new flavors. Your body and mind will thank you for it. We hope this spotlight has inspired you to think differently about what you eat. Fueling your body with these powerful foods is a simple yet profound act of self-care. Thank you for joining us today. I hope the information we shared today has inspired you to take better care of your health. Always remember that your health is your most valuable asset, and every small step towards a healthy lifestyle is an investment in your future. If you liked this content and found it useful, don't forget to hit the like button to support us, and share the video with those you love so everyone can benefit. And don't miss the chance to subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification bell to get all our new content first. Let us know in the comments, what health topic would you like us to talk about in our next videos? Your opinion is very important to us.